This 2013 Dodge Dart has a number of issues. It has a whining noise that is especially prevalent when it's in gear, whether it's reverse or drive. But you can almost hear it even in park or neutral if I rev the engine a little bit. There is a whining noise that is even a little worse in drive. It's in drive right now and I'm just giving it a little bit of throttle, and there is a constant whine. On acceleration, it feels like it slips every time you go to accelerate. It's especially bad when you're coming to a stop and then going to re-accelerate. There is a slipping sensation on every time you're accelerating. This would be especially bad in stop and go traffic. In addition to that, coming to a stop and even on the 1-2 shift, there is a like a rattling, crunching sound coming from the transmission. And then right there was that kind of crunching sound as it downshifted into first. And it really requires quite a bit of throttle input to get this vehicle to accelerate properly. It feels like it's lugging down and or slipping at the same time. And that whining noise prevails through the entire range of gears with the transmission. It's a constant whining sound which I would consider abnormal. And there's that kind of rattling, crunching sound coming to a stop. If you put it into reverse, you still have the whining noise. Just giving it a little bit of throttle, you can hear the whining noise. And it has a normal reverse gear whine that would be expected. But on the initial throttle input, again, there's like this rattling, crunching sound as soon as you step on the gas. And there again on the takeoff, came to a stop and went to take off again, and it felt as though the transmission slipped before it engaged.